Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will discuss about the fiat money. Fiat, a government issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity such as gold or silver, but rather by a government that issued it. So what is fiat money? Fiat money is a government issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity such as gold or silver, but rather by a government that is issued it. The value of fiat currency is delivered from relationship between supply and demand, and the stability of issuing government rather than the worth of the commodity backing it. Most modern paper currencies are fiat currencies, including the US dollar, euros, and other major global currencies. Key takeaways: fiat money is government issued currency that is not backed by the commodity such as gold. Fiat money gives central banks greater control over the economy because they can control how much money is printed. Number three, most modern paper currencies such as US dollar are fiat currencies. One danger of fiat money is that government can print too much of it, resulting in hyperinflation. Understand fiat money. The term fiat is a Latin word that is often translated as "it shall be" or "let it be done." The fiat currencies only have values because of the government maintains the values. There is no utility to fiat money in itself. Fiat currency came about when government would mint coins out of valuable physical commodities such as gold or silver, or print paper money that could be redeemed for a set amount of physical commodity. Fiat, however, is inconvertible and cannot be redeemed simply because there is no underlying commodity backing it. Because fiat money is not linked to physical reserves, such as a national stockpile of gold and silver, it risks losing due to inflation and even become worthless in event of hyperinflation. In some of the worst cases of hyperinflation, such as in Hungary immediately after World War II, the rate of inflation can double in a single day. Furthermore, if people lose faith in nation currency, the money will no longer hold value. This is much different from the currency backed by gold. For example, it has intrinsic values because of demand for gold in jewelry and decoration, as well in manufacturing of electronic devices, computers, and aerospace vehicle. History of fiat money in US. The US dollar is considered to be both fiat money and legal tender accepted for private and public debts. Legal tender is basically any currency that a government declares to be legal. Many governments issue a fiat currency, then make it legal tender by setting on standard for debt repayment. Earlier in US history, the country currency was backed by gold and in some cases silver. The federal government stopped allowing citizens to exchange currency for government gold with the passage of Emergency Banking Act of 1933. The gold standard, which backed US currency with federal gold, ended completely in 1971, and the US also stopped using gold to foreign government in exchange of US currency. Since that time, US dollar are known to be backed by the full faith and credit of the US government. Legal tender of all debts, public and private, but not remarkable in the law money in the United States of Treasury of a new federal bank reserve.